Well, good morning. We're up here at Bylands. Only a few of us up here to do a working bee. Yeah, it's been a busy, say, couple of weeks, and with the inaugural bus classic display at Scoresby, with some of the vehicles and all that. Thank you for liking and subscribing. And last week we had the Ryan's farewell bus route services. A lot of changes are happening here in Melbourne, and a lot of the smaller companies have been told you're no longer required. But a lot of these companies will continue on in the charter business, and also with that video as well. Thank you again for subscribing and liking the video. And yeah, oh well, we're up here. It's a nice day, and we're going to be cleaning some of the couple of the trams and getting it ready. We had Ballarat come up last Sunday while we're at the Ryan's bus tour and Ballarat Tramway Museum, and they had a look around, and soon they'll come up here to dismantle the remaining overhead and the bracket arms, and the museum will actually reopen. Inside here we've got a photo of Shane Moore's lineup of trams: 568 104, which is an L class, 650 W2, 611 a Y1, and Bernie car 217 at the old Hawthorn tram depot. Now it's the Melbourne Tram Museum, and the area's all be built up by apartments inside here. And we've got the late Norm Cross model trams, the W7 and a W2. Very nice indeed. And yeah, hope you can see that and read it. And yeah, oh well, we better continue our work. Here we go. We're going to be washing 467, the X1. We're getting the stuff all prepared here. We've got the actor here. There's the actor there, and there's Tim. And yeah, so get this all done up, and yeah, there we go. We're just pan washing the the tram. Already it's looking good. There they go. And yeah, Tim and Bill. I'll feature on this video as well. So the W1 427, and look at 467 is coming up nicely. Oh, now we're detailing inside the actual the X2, and yeah, there's a lot of mould. If you can see around there, up there, and all that. And yeah, I've got Bill and Tim working as well. Yeah, cleaning the ceiling and all that. You can see the mould. And yeah, doing a marvellous job. And same as Tim.
Coming off easily.
As you can see, we've got the actual mould everywhere. The sugar soap is doing a marvellous job. And yeah, I've got Tim filming at the moment. And as you can see, and once Ballarat Tramway Museum comes up and do the overhead works, we'll let everyone know on social media, Facebook, everything, that we are open, but we're still temporarily closed. And yeah, so if you want to become a member, it's www.tramway.org.au, and you can help us doing this, and eventually, fingers crossed, get the museum up and running. We have got bus AEC Regal Mk6 776. If you can hear, it is idling for the first time in many years, and Tim's happy as Larry, and myself as well. This is a big step for the Tramway Museum. This bus does belong to Vic Track, and yeah, hear that? Oh man, after all these years. Beautiful sound. Quick summary of today. Very good. We've done a lot of work. That's the Melbourne bound velocity from Bendigo. And yeah, the sun's slowly setting here. We did a lot. Decop part of the actual inside our kiosk area as well with the cobwebs. Also detailed 467, the first tram which was preserved by the museum, the X1 that came out of the actual the Footscray system. And then lo and behold, we actually started one of our heritage buses, 776. And yeah, so yeah, very promising today. And yeah, I'll go inside in a minute and yeah, kick the feet up, watch TV, and have a few drinks. Alright then, I shall see you next time. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Hooroo!